Hello students. So today in this lecture, I will discuss about some other methods which express the concentration, right? In last lecture, in last video which I uploaded in this playlist of chemistry 12th, uh, different methods which express the concentration like gram per liter, gram per ml, milligram per ml, right? So in this particular video, I will discuss about normality, molarity and molality. So these are some other methods by which you can express the concentration. Okay. So number one, that is normality. So what is normality? In this, I will explain just the formula of these methods and the definition of it. So what is normality? If I talk about normality, so normality is something when I talk about the gram equivalent of solute molecule. So now tell me that what is solute? So write on a comment box that what is solute. Okay. So what is solute? Because in last lecture I already discussed that what is solute, what is solvent, what is solution. Okay, so here I am only discussing about the normality, molarity and molality. So normality is the formula for normality is, we can express this method by n. Normality is expressed by capital N. So capital N, that is normality, is equal to weight of solute. Okay, weight of solute, weight of solute divided by gram equivalent, gram equivalent. Here I am denoting this gram equivalent by GEW. Okay, so GEW is nothing else but it is a gram equivalent weight of a solute into volume of solvent in a liter. So in subscript there is a L. So volume in a liter. Okay, so this is the formula for normality. So normality is equal to weight of solute divided by gram equivalent weight of solute into volume in liters. So now by this formula you can calculate the normality, right? But if I talk about the practical way, or you can say in experiments, what you are going to perform, actually you are going to make a solution, right? And for that you need a particular weight of solute which you can dissolve in a solvent, and a particular concentration you can find. So by this formula you can also find out the weight of solute. Okay, how? Just cross multiply the formula like this. I am expressing here by these arrows. So weight on your left hand side, you can write on your left hand side, weight is equal to, and here the weight is for solute. Okay, so weight of solute is equal to normality into gram equivalent weight of solute, gram equivalent weight of solute into volume of solvent in a liters. Okay, so this will be the formula for weight of solute. Okay, so this will be the formula for weight of solute. Weight is equal to normality into gram equivalent weight into volume in liters. Okay, so if I want to prepare a solution of zero point 0.1 normal, okay, if I want to prepare a solution for 0.1 normal NaOH, right? If I want to prepare a solution of this concentration, zero point 0.1 normal of NaOH in water, okay, in water, and here I am giving a volume as well. So if I will make a solution that is 100 ml in water. Okay, so now how you can prepare this solution? Okay, this will be the question in your examination, that how you can prepare zero point 0.1 normal NaOH in 100 ml water. So this is, you can see that this is the concentration, right? This is not a weight of a solute. This is not the volume of a solvent, but it is a concentration, right? So now you can see this is the volume. So the total volume of solution should be 100 ml, right? So the water amount of water you can use, that is 100 ml. Now this 0.1 normal is the concentration. Okay, this is the concentration. So now how can you calculate the weight of solute? What you need, suppose this is a beaker, right? And in this beaker you should take 100 ml. According to the formula, you can take, you should take 100 ml of water, H2O water, and you have to add NaOH in this water. Okay, you have to add this NaOH in this water. But the question is, and the total concentration, when you dissolve this NaOH in this water, the concentration for this solution is 0.1 normal. Okay, so now how much NaOH you have to add in this particular amount of water, so the final concentration of solution would be 0.1 normal. So how can you calculate this NaOH? Okay, so by this formula you can apply this formula, that is weight of solute is equal to normality into gram equivalent weight into volume of solvent in a liter. So by this formula you can calculate the weight of solute, and here is solute is NaOH. Okay, so NaOH is equal the weight for now the question is, again I know where is confusion, that what is this, what will be the gram equivalent weight for NaOH, right? How can you calculate this gram equivalent? So how can you calculate this gram equivalent, and what do you mean by this gram equivalent? Okay, so I'm explaining here. So gram equivalent can be calculated by this formula. Gram equivalent, GEW, is equal to, gram equivalent is equal to, GEW is equal to, gram equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight. Okay, as and I think you all know that what is molecular weight, right? So molecular weight divided by, now if I have a base, as you all know that NaOH is a base, right? NaOH is a base. Okay, and HCl is a acid, H2SO4 is a acid, HNO3 is a acid, NaOH, KOH, these are bases. Just remember that it is a simple way to recognize acid or base. If there is OH molecule attached to a element, that is NaOH, ALOH whole thrice, BaOH whole twice, CaOH whole twice, so those are, OH is there, so they all are bases. Okay, they all are bases. So NaOH, again, it is a base. Okay, so now if we have base with us, so write down the concentration of base here. How many OH is there in a molecule, in a basic molecule? How many OH is there? Okay, and if we have acid, then just consider the H ion concentration. Okay, H ion concentration. If you have base, then then consider OH ion concentration. And if you have a acid, if you are going to make a solution of acid, just consider this H ion concentration to calculate this gram equivalent weight. Do you understand? So here I am making a solution of base, so I have OH ion, not H ions, right? I am having OH ions, I am not having H ions, right? I am having hydroxy ions. So what is the molecular weight for NaOH? The molecular weight of NaOH is 40. In another separate video, I'll explain about how you can calculate this molecular weight. Okay, so molecular weight for NaOH is 40. 40 divided by, so how many OH ion you can see in this formula? NaOH contains only one hydroxy ion, because when it dissociate, when it break down, it gives one OH negative ion. Okay, so OH ion concentration will be 1. Okay, 1. So 40 divided by 1, what will be the answer? What will be the gram equivalent weight? 40 again. So molecular weight and gram equivalent weight both are same for NaOH. Okay, so now just put the values in this formula and you can easily calculate the weight of NaOH. Okay, so what will be the weight for NaOH? Uh, Normality. So what is a normality, which I am going to prepare a solution by of which concentration? Zero point 0.1. Okay, so zero point 0.1 normality is equal to what? 0.1. Okay, if I want to prepare a solution for zero point 0.2 normal, just write down 0.2 here. If you are going to prepare a solution of 0.5 normal, just write down 0.5 here. Okay, so zero point 0.1 into, now what is the gram equivalent weight for NaOH? 40, right? As we all already calculate here. So 40 into, now the volume should be should in a liters, right? And here I am taking 100 ml. So 100 ml is equal to how much liters? Now again, if you want to a video on that how we can change the units, so I can make the video. Just write on a comment box if you want. If you know, that is good. So 100 ml is equal to zero point 0.1 liter. Okay, so 100 ml is equal to zero point 0.1 liters. Okay, so this zero point 0.1 liter I am going to write here over here. Okay, so zero point 0.1 into 40 into zero point 0.1. Okay, normality is 0.1, gram equivalent weight is 40 for NaOH, into, that is volume in liters, that is 0.1, because I am going to prepare 100 ml and 100 ml is, means 0.1 liter. So just multiply the value, zero point 0.1 into 40 into zero point 0.1. This will be your answer. So 0.4, okay, 0.4 gram. So you should take, you have to take 0.4 gram NaOH. Okay, I'm writing here. So you have to take, now see, you have to take zero point 0.4 gram NaOH and dissolve in 100 ml of water. What will be the concentration of this solution? 0.1 normal. Understood? 0.4 gram you have to weigh out. Okay, in a weighing machine you have to weigh 0.4 gram NaOH and dissolve in 100 ml of water. Then the solution concentration will be zero point 0.1 normal. So that is how you can prepare zero point 0.1 normal NaOH solution in a water. Okay, and this is known as normality. Okay, so this is known as normality. Okay, so now what is molarity? This is about normality. Now what is molarity? Just write down the formula and you can easily understood that you can easily understand about the molarity as well. As you can see, there is a formula for normality. Just noted down the formula for molarity. So here you can see molarity na. So molarity. Okay, just there is a little bit difference between this molarity and normality. Just, okay, so this is molarity. Okay, molarity, and the formula should be, so now here the expression will be M, capital M. We denote this molarity by capital M. So capital M is equal to weight of solute. Again I am writing here. So molarity is equal to weight of solute divided by, now this gram equivalent weight will change. Okay, Now, in place of gram equivalent weight, you have to write molecular weight. Okay, so this gram equivalent replaced by molecular weight. Okay, so molarity is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular weight into volume in liter. This will be the formula for molarity. And now you can see, if you are going to prepare zero point 0.1 molar. Okay, now in place of normal, solution you can express as molar solution. Okay, so zero point 0.1 molar NaOH solution in 100 ml of water, same solution in molar. Okay, now again, uh, you need you want to check out the weight for NaOH. If you are going to prepare zero point 0.1 molar NaOH solution again, so weight, formula for weight of solute by this formula will change. How? This normality replaced by molarity in this formula. Molarity, weight of solute is equal to molarity into, now this gram equivalent weight is not there in molarity. Here you can take molecular weight. Here you have to take molecular weight. Okay, so molarity into molecular weight into volume in liter. Okay, so in place of molarity, write down 0.1. In place of molecular weight, write down molecular weight. So now what will be the molecular weight for NaOH? If I talk about NaOH particularly, so molecular weight for NaOH is 40. Okay, so just 40, and volume will be the same. Now the answer will 0.4 gram again. So if you are going to prepare zero point 0.1 normal NaOH, if you are going to prepare zero point 0.1 molar, okay, NaOH, the weight for NaOH will be same, because molecular weight and gram equivalent weight for NaOH are same. If I change this chemical, okay, so then the answer will be different. Okay, it depends on the chemical which you are using. So here I discussed about normality, molarity. In another video lecture, I'll discuss about molality. And if you have any query related normality and molarity, and if you want the same video lecture on Hindi, so I can make that also. But just write on a comment box your requirements, your needs, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.